So looking at this chart, this is a clear buyers and control. This is an uptrend, so you select your part 2 and you come to the lowest part and you draw it according to the candles. Now you can see where the pullback, the valid pullback started there. So you can see the highest point there, so you can see where the candle broke it. So we are looking for the lowest point that the candle went before it broke above that high point. Exactly. So we'll mark the lowest point, then we take the part to higher, to the highest point again. Then we look for the lowest point the candle came back, we mark it again. Then we go again higher than the last place it went, we mark it. Now you can see the highest point there, that's the level before it broke it. So how low did it go before breaking that level? It went as low as this point here. You can see we're not marking the second one, we're just going straight up above the last high it made. So that is how we use the part 2 in the uptrend. So, and that is it. That is your part there. That's how to mark it accurately. So if we have a downtrend, we do exactly the same thing. Okay, we select the part 2 and we go to the highest point on the chart and we mark from there. So it went as low as this on the first impulsive move. Now if you look very well, you see the lowest point there. You can see where the candle broke below it right there. So how high did it go before breaking below? That is where we want to mark. So we want to mark how high it went before it broke below this level, this low level. So we mark that highest point there. Then we go straight down to, after breaking it, the low, to form a lower low. So we mark that point to before the pullback. So you can see the level there before it broke this point. It went back high again, so you can see how high it went. So we mark that point. That's the highest point it went before breaking this low. Then it broke the low again, so we mark that point. Then before it broke this low, how high did it go before breaking that low? So that is what we are going to look for. So we'll mark the high, the highest point it went. So we are going to ignore the other part. We just want to see the highest point it went. So, and it now went lower again, and that is how we mark the parts. So if the chart is not clear, just leave it and go to the next chart that is clear. That is it.